Hi, this is Miss Andrea, and I'm recording today to do another unboxing and a quick update. So, a lot is going on. First, my business is been doing okay the last 3 months. I was literally going to close the business, but it picked up in October and it hasn't slowed down. And that business is selling home goods. I have a vintage booth. Um, and I'll record on that one day soon. But I uh, refinish things and I, you know, acquire home goods and I sell those. And that's where the unboxing comes in. I've started ordering items from a company called Bulk, and unboxing them and seeing what goodies I have to sell is fun. Um, it's also musical season. I'm heavily involved in community theater. I'm on the board of a community theater, and I also make costumes. And right now, our community theater is doing an amazing project of ragtime, and we've joined with a public school, and we're doing that together. And I am in charge of the costuming team, so my spring is going to be crazy. And my daughter actually got cast in the ragtime show, which was a surprise to us, because we thought that there were people who were shoot-ins for it, but it just didn't work out that way. Um, I'm feeling better from the car accident. I can move my neck. I can look over my shoulder when I'm driving. So that's good, which means I can sew again. Um, oh, the most important thing involves homeschooling. Um, once I said, as I said, I'm very involved in community theater and acting, and know a lot of actors. And a young actor that we know, my husband is 2 rooms away, and his conversation is louder than mine. So, a young actor that we know got agent, and he's heading off to New York, and I think he's 16, going on 17. And as someone who knows how to do a homeschool portfolio and all that, I'm going to be doing that, and we're going to be getting him graduated, and that's very exciting. That turned into an opportunity for me because his mom runs a website about momagers, parents with child actors, and I'm going to be taking over the homeschool portion of her blog because they're gonna be busy. Um, so that's very exciting. It's leading me into a direction that I've always known I wanted to be in. Talking about education and dealing with education. The other stuff I do, the creative stuff I do, the home goods stuff I do, is a great way to make money. But I hope to eventually transition my life completely over to advocating for and dealing with education. So, with that said, still, here's my fun unboxing. Until next time. So, apparently, today my husband is the star of the show. He decided to take his business call right outside of my office door so that his voice drowned out the recording I was making. And when I went to do the unboxing, he decided he wanted to be in on the fun of that too. In all fairness, he doesn't trust me with scissors. I've injured myself enough times, and he was just hovering over me, itching to take them away so that he did not have to go to the emergency room again. So here we go. He just started digging in and jumped in. He asked that there not be audio on, uh, because he didn't want to be that much part of the video. But as you can see, when I did my intro, he just wouldn't shut up. So item number one, and the reason that I got these two cases from Bulk, weighted blankets. I needed two. I found two cases each with one weighted blanket, and I got them. That's a waterproof sheet protector. That's It's a body and fabric freshener. It's a really strong smelling, but it's really pretty smelling. Over the door hook. Um, there's a bunch of gray sheets, flat sheets, and fitted sheets from Target. I'm selling those as one lot on eBay. The navy sheets went to my daughter, matches her room. Another gray sheet. Uh, Really neat geometric pattern fuzzy blanket goes in my booth. That gets put in the Christmas box till next year. Just looking at it, realized I don't see the markers. Oh, they're the markers. Really neat star um, pattern sheet set. Um, a really pretty floral sheet set. This here is a nubby blanket that people love, including myself. Um, Towels, pillowcases that I put in the lot with the gray sheet set. Um, those are pillow covers that I absolutely adore. I have one on every pillow in my house. Keeps the pillows themselves clean, makes them last longer, and it keeps the pillowcase from sliding off. So I love that. This is box two. Dos. Let's see, hubby's. He's no better with a scissor than I am. I don't know why he won't let me use the scissor, but I was very excited, as you can see from my little dance. Come on, let's go. You can do it. Now stand back. Dun dun dun. So let's see. Oh, this is a bath mat. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Um, a blanket. I had a blanket like that in the previous lot that I sold in my booth. Um, a holiday pillow that'll get put with the Christmas sale stuff. That suction cup thing doesn't work. I tried it. It's supposed to suction to the wall and hold your soaps and stuff. It doesn't hold. That's a white blackout curtain. It's a bit of an oxymoron. My friend lifted it. She saw it. She took it. It's hers now. Second nubby blanket. By the way, these nubby crochet blankets they sold. They hit my booth, and they sold. They're gone. Um, Really neat waffle pattern towel set. It comes with a bath mitt. There's the thing. The Tranquility weighted blanket. Can I just say they work? If you have high anxiety and you have trouble settling down at night, that'll take the fight right out of you. You will go right to sleep. Everyone is happy. My husband's sleeping better, and my daughter is sleeping better, which means I'm sleeping better. See, everyone's happy. Might get my son one. Um, Body pillow set, body pillow, pillowcases. Um, that's a towel in his hand, just a hand towel there. It's a pretty pattern. That's the Moana blanket. I'm disappointed because it's supposed to come with a stuffed pig, and the last one sold with a stuffed pig. So I don't know if this one's going to sell as quickly because it doesn't have its stuffed pig. So thank you for hanging in there for my unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm gonna try to be more regular, but you can see from just me doing my catch up with me little talk that things are a little crazy around here. But these are very exciting times. So um, I hope you found the bulk unboxing very useful. It's really a cool way to make some extra money and to, at the same time, perhaps get things you need for yourself and kind of for free because I pick my lots based on what I need. And then I sell the rest and I make, more than that money back. So If you're into saving money and managing, you know, a household better, and you like to sell things, it's just a cool way to go about it. So until next time.